Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce Flutter app inside. Today we need to see this here, the remaining parts of the product details we need to cover here. First of all, we need to making like this here, this horizontal sliders we need to develop here. And then after we need to develop this here, the remaining parts of this list of here, the showing here the previous items products list need to show like this here the bottom. First of all, we need to put this here the showing this bottom line need to show here. So already making inside the home screen, so need to copy and paste here. So now we need to go here the codes, and we need to find out here these codes. Now need to go inside here the main screens, home screens, and we need to finding here the scroll view inside. First of all, we need to see which designs inside into showing here like this. Maybe we need to use this here the second screens, and we need to show like this here the offers. Need to go inside here the second screens, and we need to copy this here the new arrives, and need to copying here the with 20% need to copy this line of list here, and we need to go inside here the product details, and we need to put here the tops like here's, and again so need to go screens and to codes, we need to copy here. Need to line up score sections and new titles and subtitles. Need to no needs, need to clean here. Need to use only this ones. Use this separator list, alignments, builders, item row. Okay, good. I need to copy here this code. And we need to go inside here the product details. And we need to paste up end of line these codes. After this dividers code, paste here, and we need to set this here new to item list. Item array. Maybe I need to check here's list array. Oh, list array. Import this here row, here's and length. Save here's and show like this here. This data we need to showing here's for the list. Now we need to add here the sections. We need to copy sections bar code. Need to copy here the section view. Need to copy here like this containers, and we need to go product details and put here. Set here the sub value like here's on press events. We need to make here the click event. Need to put here's set here the subtitles. We need to check inside the designs. We need to set it here or not. Need to not set it, it's only titles. Need to remove here's unused codes. We need to remove, cut these ones, and we need to expand, replace with this column, and set here the titles. Or you can also like this, and we need to button names table items. Show like here's and decrease this here the font size. We need to maybe use this here the thirds 18 semi bold. Need to set here weight 600 and show like this here's, and also make sure so need to checking here the vertical horizontals verticals, yes, and size headings. We need to remove here verticals like here showing here. Show display goods for these items, and now this is parts are the done here, and show like here. Now we need to cover these parts. We need to developing here the list. We need to making here how to create. So we need to use this here the third party library horizontal sliders we need to use, and we need to use this code here. So we need to use here the builder class sliders, horizontal sliders builders class. We need to use here copy his one, and we need to paste here. Now item short dress and replace with this here the sized box horizontal items. Maybe size box inside we need to put here this child you need to give us paste here, and import this here the builders like here. Maybe name parameters need to missing here. Need to check here the which parameters item counts. Need to set here the 3 is good, and check here the which parameter are missing. Options, yes, option parameters. Need to check here the horizontal options. Need to copy here this everyone's, and to need it need to put this here. Paste ones here. Page callbacks functions. Need to get here the value. Need to change here which parameters need to get this here the index and reasons. So need to on change two parameters need to get here index and options like here. And you need to set here the heights. Need to check here the 300 is good. Also need to change here 300 like yes. And aspect ratio, we need to change this here the aspect ratio because we need to UI need to big size of the image we need to showing like here. That's why I need to change this here. So we need to change here this aspect ratio 9:16 we need to put here like here's. And view factions like this durations autoplay need to if needs then to enables, otherwise need to set here the like here the false and manually change is good. Need to remove here this one comments, also comments. And reverse need to set here the enables infinity scrolls need to if here true and to set here the false because manually change. And go slow like this angular centers true and angle specters like so need to putting this here the UI. And now this is are the containers and we need to check here for set here maybe container text index things we need to put here. And we need to check here first of all how look like this show 0 1 2 like here showing. Maybe you need to set here the height and width is good. And we need to set here the background colors, need to set here the decorations, set here color. You need to set here color red for debug purpose. Show like here's maybe set here width max width double max width like here showing. And size here may do maybe need to factorations or label factors. View factors need to set here the 9 increase here maybe need to set here 7. And also need to managing this here the this ones maybe you need to set here directly 1. No, set set 3 0.5 like here little bit small like here when we initialize here and central lines need to make here and displaying here. Now this is the display here, maybe increase this here the between space. We need to set here the space iterations like here. Now this is our displaying here good here. Now inside we need to put this here the image. We need to set here color white like here. And we need to remove here this ones. And we need to set here the image putting here image assets. And we need to now static image need to put here. Now need to use anyone's check here this one image big copy relative path. And we need to paste here. Set here the width and height. So need to give this here the max width double max width and height also double max width. And we need to set here the pits box pit set here the cover show like here and show this is image sliders. You need to put it here and make sure so need to given this here the top paddings. You need to alignments here needs need to go here the screen code. And you need to increase this here the paddings of this size. You need to set here the verticals 8, set here and scroll downs, decrease this years, need to set here the 8, maybe 15, scroll downs, need to set here the 20, 80, 15. Now this one is display goods here. Now this UI we need to done here and set it here. Now we need to set this here, the open this here the size look like this here. So need to show here the size selectors. We need to already making inside here the filters after the selecting this product. Need to go here the line of codes of the gets items list screens, and we need to use this one here the select size functions copy actions, and we need to go items, and we need to space this line of code select size import here, and need to set here the click events of the size here, open size set here, and we need to click here and show like here. Now this one is two done here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.